case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2011, the Minnesota Supreme Court ruled on a landmark case, Bearder v. State, which centered on the protection of genetic information. The heart of the dispute lay in the state's handling of newborn blood samples. 9 families accused Minnesota of violating the Genetic Privacy Act by maintaining and utilizing their newborn babies' blood samples without their written consent. This critical legal battle stemmed from a crucial determination: whether these blood samples fell under the purview of genetic information, as described in the Genetic Privacy Act. If so, this would dictate whether the health department was obligated to obtain consent prior to the collection, usage, storage, or sharing of these samples. The lower court initially ruled in favor of the state, sparking an appeal process. The state had argued that the blood samples could be kept with the Genetic Privacy Act's opt-in structure, as the act allows sharing genetic information with an informed written consent or purposes for which consent had been given. Ultimately, the higher court overturned the decision of the lower court in a significant verdict. The court endorsed the viewpoint of the families by ruling that indeed, these blood samples constituted genetic information. In line with this classification, the health department was required to seek written assigned consent for the management of these samples. In addition, it ruled that the department's destruction policy could not stand as justification for indefinite storage, and was not exempt from the Act's opt-in prerogative. Subsequently, the case was sent back to the district court. Its task was to explore potential remedies and whether the parties have demonstrated necessary facts to show a violation of the Act. Furthermore, the court outlined that newborn screening statutes provided a distinct exception for newborn screenings, result recording, managing a registry of positive cases, and storing results as necessitated by federal law. This ruling has shown a spotlight on the essential role of informed consent in the handling of genetic information.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.